Good morning students. Now we are going to start the topic unitary method exercise 2.10. In unitary method we are having the solutions based on multiplication as well as division. So what we had to do in unitary method, please see that. If they have given for 1 and asking for many, they have given for 1 and asking for many, we will do multiplication. And they are given for many and asking for 1, then we will do division. So these are the two methods that we are going to do in unitary method, that is division as well as multiplication. Now we are going to solve some of the questions based on this. So this is the fifth question of unitary method from your exercise 2.10. The question is like this. The train fare from Chennai to Mumbai for 6 persons is rupees 1122. What is the fare for 10 persons? In this question, you are having two solutions you have to solve. First of all, they have given cost of train fare for 6 persons. Then they are asking for 10 persons. So first of all, we have to find for 1 person. What is the cost of train fare for 1 person? Okay, so whenever they are asking for 1, we have to do the division. Okay, now solution is like this. Cost of train fare for 6 person is rupees 1122. So you have to find the cost of 1 person. So cost of train fare for 1 person is equal to rupees 1122 divided by 6. The division here I have shown. This is the calculation part. Okay, 6 ones are 6. Then after subtracting 11 minus 6, you got the answer 5. Then take 2 from here. Then 6 8s are 48. So like this way the solution is going on and you got the answer 187. So cost of fare for 1 person is rupees 187. So in the second part nowadays they are asking what is the train fare for 10 persons. Now we are having the train fare for 1 person. Now we have to ask for 10. 1 for many. When they are having 1 for many, we have to do the multiplication. Okay students. So the cost of train fare for 1 person is rupees 187 and therefore the cost of train fare for 10 person is equal to rupees 187 multiplied by 10. So you got the answer 1870. So this is the solution of the fifth question. Okay. Now the sixth question of unitary method. Please see the question on the blackboard. 12 kg of potatoes cost rupees 84. How much will Mr. Bhaskar have to pay if he wants only 5 kg of potatoes? Student, in this also we are having two parts for this question. First part is that 12 kg of potato cost rupees 84. In this they have given what is the cost of 12 kg of potato, that is rupees 84. From in this we have to find what is the cost of 1 kg of potato. Okay, so they have given for many and asking for 1. Many for 1. What you will do in this? Division. Okay, so first of all we have to find what is the cost of 1 kg potato. Okay, so please see the solution here. Cost of 12 kg potato is equal to rupees 84. So cost of 1 kg potato. Many for 1. We have to do the division. So rupees 84 divided by 12. In 12's table you will get 84, that is 12 sevens are 84. So what is the cost of 1 kg potato? That is rupees 7. Now what is the second question? They are saying how much will Mr. Bhaskar have to pay if he wants only 5 kg of potato? In the first part they have given the cost of 12 kg potato and we find the cost of 1 kg potato, that is rupees 7. Now they are asking what is the cost of 5 kg potato. Okay, now again many. 1 we are having the cost of 1 kg potato, rupees 7. Now they are asking for 5. 1 and 5. 1 for many. That is we have to do the multiplication. Okay, so cost of 5 kg potato is equal to rupees 7 into 5, that is answer 35. So students, in this solution we are having two-way method going on there. First, that we have to do the division to find for 1, then we have to do the multiplication to find for many. Okay. Now students, we are doing the 8th question of unitary method. Let's see the question here. The cost of a tray containing 24 eggs is rupees 48. There is a egg tray, and in that tray you are having 24 eggs. So what is the cost of that 24 eggs? The cost of 24 eggs is rupees 48. Okay. Now the second question is that find the cost of 8 eggs. In this you have to find the cost of 8 eggs. To find the cost of 8 eggs, first of all we have to find the cost of 1 egg. Okay. In this they have given the cost of 24 eggs, that is rupees 48. From this we will find the cost of 1 egg. Okay. So please see the solution here, student. Cost of 24 eggs is rupees 48. It is given to you. Now you have to find cost of 1 egg. Many for 1. They have given for 24 eggs. Now you have to find for 1 egg. So many for 1. What we have to do in this? Division. Okay. So rupees 48 divided by 24, you get the answer 2, because 24 2s are 48. Now you got the answer of 1 egg, that is cost of 1 egg rupees 2. Now in the second statement they are asking for what is the cost of 8 eggs. Now 1 egg cost you know. Now you have to find the cost of 8 eggs. Okay, 1 for many. Again the second method came, 1 for many. So what we have to do it in there? We have to do multiplication. Okay, so cost of 8 egg is equal to rupees 2 multiplied by 8. Answer is rupees 60.